Hello everyone. This is a part 2 on my snippet roll thing video I was doing. Series, not really a series because there's only 2 parts. But this is, somebody asked me what I do with my snippet roll. Well, this snippet roll that I just made, it's 20 yards of snippet roll. It's this huge. I'm done with it now because I measured it out again, and it's 20 yards. I guess if I'm in frame here. Yeah. 20 yards of yumminess. And someone asked me, what do you do with it? Well, I use mine for I'm going to use mine for tuck spots. You can use them for belly bands. You can use them for bookmarks. You can sew strips together and make it a journal cover. You can use it, cut it in pieces and use it as tabs on the side of your pages. There is many, many, many different things that you can do with these. I am going to sell this roll, not all the roll at once, but I'm going to sell it by the yard. And each yard, of course, will be different because no yard is exactly the same. Because it's just, if you've seen the part 1 video, you'll know how I make it. So nothing is exactly the same. But this I am going to sell by the yard. And I'm also going to include a handful of old buttons. You can sew these buttons onto your project. I was going to do that to this whole row, but I thought, no, because I don't know what color of buttons and what I want to use in my journal. So until I decide, I'm not going to sew things on until I decide where I'm going to use it. But you can sew buttons just here and there. On here, you can put the buttons on pins and then pin them on. It's going to come with 6 pins, little tiny safety pins, and a handful of buttons. And I'm also going to include 4 of these bulb pins that you can put buttons on, or more trim and just dangle it off wherever you would like on your yard. And I'm also going to include some more goodies that you can practice. Once you get them, you can make your own little snippet roll out of. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you and let y'all know that this roll is available, and I am going to be selling it. And if I will link my Facebook below, and you can catch me on there if you're interested in a yard of this. It's going to be $20 free shipping in US for a yard plus extra goodies. And each one will be different colored buttons and same pins, but different colored buttons and different colors of yumminess for you to practice. Or if you already know how, make your own. Add to your yard of loveliness. I just love this so much. But yeah, I'm going to make my own roll, but this roll is going to be for sale. So if you are interested, like I said, my Facebook will be below, and I will get this right out to you. And if you're outside of US, just let me know, and I will take it in and see how much it costs to ship it outside of US for you. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure that everyone knows exactly how I use my snippet roll, because they asked me. And goodness, what other questions did they ask me? I don't even know. Also, see these little rosettes? I use these on my snippet roll too. I cut them in either strips or 4 and sew them onto my snippet roll as well. I use any old thing that's just laying around, any old where, any of it. I just like this little piece. I just use any old thing, and I'll just gather up some things and mail it to you if you would like a yard of this. So yeah, I'll stop rambling on, and I just wanted to let y'all know it was for sale. And I hope you enjoyed my video, and thank you so much for all y'all's kind words and stuff that you left in comments, and I hope I answer everyone's questions. And yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I forgot. I am really sorry for I'm always repeating myself. I absolutely hate that. When I watch my videos, I'm like, oh, I don't even want to watch my video because I know I repeat myself so much. So if that annoys you, I'm sorry. It annoyed me, and I don't know why I repeat myself, but I do, so yeah. Anyways, hope you have a great day, and please like and subscribe, and I will have more videos soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.